In terms of learning and growth at Art and Science, mentorship happens through myself. I've been doing UX since before it had that name, I suppose. I'm not actually formally educated in design, but I have over 20 years experience, and I'm really good at poking holes gently in other people's solutions, and finding areas for improvement, and sort of raising red flags and challenging folks. Peer reviews of your work happen as well. So we have a dedicated Slack channel called Design Alley. We check in every morning, and at that time, you can share work, you can get feedback from people, from the whole team, and then you're getting like lots of different creative brains looking at it, which is great. We've also got a relatively new but kind of amazing HR system that lets you solicit feedback from anybody on the team. So, for example, if you were in a presentation as a UXer and you presented your work and I wasn't there, and you wanted to know how you did, you can actually privately message through the system anybody else who was in that meeting and say, hey, I just wanted to get some feedback. How do you think I did? Where might I improve? And they can make that feedback public or private. And the idea of making it public is to make it quite transparent. And so there is a place where you can go and see feedback around other people. And we're trying to get away from like once a year 360s and into more of a like constant sort of iterative feedback thing. So there's that sense of transparency, right? And then lastly, I'll just mention we do have a pretty hefty education budget that accrues every single month, and people use this for online courses and conferences and you name it. So there's lots of opportunity for you to go and learn on your own on our dime.